personalized mugs that were made on the Cricut Mug Press. First, you want to use a lint roller and you want to roll off any type of dust or particles on the mug. And then you want to place your design and use heat-resistant tape in order to lay it flat up against your blank. And then next, you want to use butcher paper and you wrap that around your mug to protect any of the ink that might get on the mug press. Next, you hit go and then it'll work its magic, and once it's done, it'll beep, and then you take off the butcher paper and remove the tape. Be careful because it is hot. You can use heat-resistant gloves. I typically just use my nails. And there you go. It's all done. Thanks for watching.